In this video, we are going to learn how we can deal with the damaged inventory in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Our next transaction is of 31st January and it says 500 button shirts damaged, and that is an inventory loss. Now it is clearly mentioned that it is damaged. That means this is not the part of normal production loss. This is the loss that caused by mishandling. So this is treated as indirect expense. Now let's see how we can enter this in QuickBooks. I'll go to items and services, and from the bottom area, I'll click on activities and click on adjust quantity or value on hand. Let's choose the date, which is 31st of January. And let's create a new account, that is loss of inventory. I'll write here loss of inventory, but as you can see that it didn't choose any account. So press tab, it will show you this prompt that account is not found. We will click on setup and we will not treat it as cost of goods sold because as I said, this is not the normal production loss. This is due to mishandling. So this will be as an expense and save and close. And right here, button shirts, it will show you this quantity. I'll write the quantity difference as minus 500. So it will show you the remaining new quantity. Now don't worry if you see some other quantity here, we will correct that later on. Maybe there is some issue with the dates. You can check that later on, but this is how you pass the entry. You can mention the memo here, save and new, and let's go to previous. And if you want to check the journal entry of the loss of inventory, you can see that there is no reports tab. So instead what we will do is go to the reports menu from the top and click on transaction journal. Now it will show you this journal entry that loss of inventory is debit as an expense and credit is inventory asset. Perfect. So this is how you can enter the loss of inventory of the raw materials in QuickBooks.